Sisemakhiweni obhodwe eMarhalasi nakuzindaba zibuzwa ngaphakathi kwawo nanzi ezitshutshileko.
There was a line of march, and that line of march was to get General Khumalo and General Masemola in an accused box.
Ikomishini kaMadlanga izwe ukuthi umphathi walokho we-IDEC uAndrea Johnson wahlela ukulaya ukomishinara wamapolisa afuna ukukhuluma mala eParliament.
The name that will be recommended as the outcome of the vote will be that of Advocate Madonsela.
Ikomiti yeParlamente eyophenyaza kaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa iphakamise uAdvocate Thandazani Madonsela njengomholi wobufakazi bayo.
Balula was dishing the money in the clinic. So money has played a role in the ANC.
He was dishing money proudly.
Yeah.
Like openly.
Openly, yeah. It wasn't like a secret.
Unobhalazo Mbelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi ayikho kongabi khona indaba yokuthi wathenga isikhundla ngemali njengoba kusitsho ilunga eliphezulu lekomiti enkulu ye-ANC uDokotela Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma. Ngiyangithokozisa emoyeni ukuthi ngithi ngena eminyango nginifunyane seningilindile endaweni ngendawo siphethe zesindebele ku-SABC1 loTshani Makhaya. Ikomishini kaMadlanga izwe ukuthi umphathi walokho uAndrea Johnson wahlela indaba yohobela ukomishinara wamapolisa uGeneral Fanny Masemola ngokumfihlela indaba ephathelene namaphenyo ukwenzela ukuthi akhone ukukhuluma mala phambi kwekomiti yeParliament. Lokhu kunjengoba ikomishini le ilalela ubufakazi begqwetha le-IDEC lombuso uDrushanta Ramsamy mayelana nomsebenzi wephenyo le-IDEC kezobuhloli ekufakazela insolo zokuthi kwaqothelwe imphathimandla zamapolisa eziphezulu ekutshengisa nokuthi uMajor General Firoz Khan ungena njani endabeni ezi.
Insolo ziragela phambili malungana nomphathi walokho we-IDEC uAndrea Johnson. Lokhu kunjengoba igqwetha le-IDEC lombuso uDrushanta Ramsamy aveze eminye imininingwana malungana nephenyo le-IDEC kezobuhloli eveza ukuthi batsho uJohnson watshela isiqhema bona singake singamtshela uGeneral Fanny Masemola ngephenyo ukwenzela ukuthi ayokukhuluma mala phambi kweParlamente.
It looked and obviously became evident that there was a line of march, and that line of march was to get General Khumalo and General Masemola in an accused box. And so obviously there was, at some point there was talk about if he lies at portfolio committee, but this is well after. I think this is in February or March, and this was just between Padiachi and myself and Mr. Perumal, where if he lies, we can at least charge him for perjury.
He would have lied to a committee of parliament, which in itself is an offense.
So the plan was to set him up.
Ramsamy uragele phambili wafakaza ngokuthi batsho umphenyi ojanyisiweko emsebenzini isikhuluma nje uDylan Perumal waveza bona uMajor General Firoz Khan uqakatheke khulu ephenyweni labo ekuphakamise imibuzo ekomishinini ekutheni ngokuya kukaRamsamy ubona ingasuthi umsebenzi kaKhan kuyini kuhle kuhle.
And then I had heard about Advocate Johnson's husband and Mr. Khan being friends. Then all of this happened. So I put 4 and 4 together, and I realized that there were other aspects at play.
Nakusenjalo uRamsamy uveze ukuthi ngemva kokuthi uJohnson ahlangene nongqongqoshe wamapolisa uSenzo Mchunu oselifini elikhethekile kwesikhuluma nje kwakhe wayehlose ukuthi baza kufumana okhunye malungana nomphathi wezabasebenzi uCedric Nkabinde. Uthi batsho yena le ngiyo yodwa indlela ayicala ngayo ukulayela ukomishini kuyaraga.
Ikomiti ephenyako yesection 89 yaziswe bona izokuba namandla ukugatelela umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ukuthi azoziphendulela phambi kwayo. Ikomiti le iphakamise uadvocate Thandazani Madonsela njengomholi wobufakazi bayo.
Ikwamukela ukuphakanyiswa ka-Advocate Thandazani Madonsela njengomholi wobufakazi. uMadonsela udose phambili ngamavoti alithoba. U-Advocate Kate Hoff Meyer yena wafunyana alikhomba. Ukuphakanyiswa kaMadonsela kusekelwe izinhlangano zepolitiki i-EFF, i-MKP, i-ATM, i-UAT, i-ACDP kunye neBosa, i-ANC, i-PA ne-Aljamaah ngezivote.
The name that will be recommended as the outcome of the vote will be that of Advocate Madonsela. Like we have said, that ours is to recommend the appointing process is done by Parliament.
Abaluleki bezomthetho eParliament bathi ikomiti le kufanele ikwazi ukubiza umengameli njengabanye abufakazi ukuthi azoziphendulela phambi kwayo.
Proposing that the president be compelled to testify, not be given a right not to testify. Obviously, this is something the committee must consider and make a decision on as to how it thinks appropriate that an impeachment hearing takes place.
Isiphakamiso sekomiti sokukhethwa komholi wobufakazi sizokudluliselwa eParliament ukuthi siphasiswe khona libandla elipheleleko leParliament.
Umholi we-DA uJordan Hill-Lewis uthi akakathonyeki bona isichukumiso sezomthetho abasifake court esimalungana nokukhandela umthetho wezokubuyiselwa kwenarha ezandleni ezifaneleko nokuthi singahle sinyefise ubudlelwano bayo urhulumente webumbano. I-DA ifuna ikhotho ephakemeko eTjingalanga Kapa ithathe umthetho lo njengongasisemthethweni ngombana lokhu kukuphambana nomthetho wamalungelo obunikazi bempahla.
Jordan Hill-Lewis, viva!
I-DA ijamile ngesiqundo sayo sokuphikisa lo mthetho owatlikitlwa ngumengameli Ramaphosa ngoTjhirhweni wangomnyaka opheleleko. Ithibekela phambili inrhuluphelo zamaSewula Afrika. Ayinandaba nokuthi amanye amalunga we-GNU acabanga njani.
It hasn't helped land reform. It hasn't helped people get ownership of their homes or of the land that they live on. It is nothing but a political lie from the ANC that has done enormous damage to our country. And it is not good for our country going forward. It does not attract investment. It doesn't attract economic growth and create new jobs. It is a bad idea, a bad policy, and it should be scrapped. And that is why we're arguing against it. And I'm sure that makes some other parties in the GNU uncomfortable, but the fact is that isn't our concern. They must be uncomfortable if they want to be. Our concern is what is right for South Africa.
I-DA isejimeni lamalungiselelo ohlelo lwenjamiso zayo ngempela-veki le nethemba lokuthumba ekhethweni labomasipalata bendawo. I-DA izibethi isifuba ngomasipalata weMuthval. Lapha isebenze kuhle khona iminyaka engaphezulu kweli-10 nakuhlolwa incwadi zakhona. Nanya nemkhandlwini edorobha weKapa kungakhange kusebenzeke kuhle. uHill-Lewis uthi Patriotic Alliance isayibambise enzinyana i-DA eTjingalanga Kapa. Njengomana sekusela amalanga ama-90 ngaphambi kwekhetho lanonyaka nje, amaSewula Afrika asalele malanga ukufikela ngelesihlanu ebusuku ukuvuselela nokuhloliselela ukuvota ekhasini lezethungelwano nohlanganiso lekomishini yamakhetho.
Unobhalazo Mbelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uyiphikile batsho ukuthi wathenga isikhundla sakhe sokuba ngunobhalazo Mbelele we-ANC. Esitatimendeni uMbalula uhlabe ibatsho eqaliswe kuye ilunga lomkhandlu ophezulu we-ANC uDokotela uNkosazana Dlamini Zuma. Nabe kakhuluma ehlelweni le-podcast elirhatshwe kuThangi, uDlamini Zuma uthe batsho ukusetshenziswa kwemali kulime indima enkulu ekhonferensini ye-ANC yama-55 ekwabangela bona uMbalula agcine akhethwa njengonobhalazo Mbelele we-ANC.
uDlamini Zuma utshwile nokuthi ingikhulu eziphezulu ezilikhomba ze-ANC zathengwa ngemali. Mbalula uthi ulayela amagqwetha akhe bona afuna ihlathululo malungana nebatsha ibize ngelimazako nebuhlungu.
Balula was dishing the money in the clinic. So money has played a role in the ANC.
He was dishing money proudly.
Yeah.
Like openly.
Openly, yeah. It wasn't like a secret.
Openly to be elected as the SG.
To be elected and for the president to be elected.
But the ANC rules are clearly, or are they not? Are they silent about the use of money? As I understand, the use of money is criminal in terms of conferences of the ANC.
Money was used. We all know. We all know. We all saw it. At least in 22, we saw it. If you ask anyone who worked at the clinic at the time, they'll tell you.
uDlamini Zuma uthi lokho akuvezako akusiyi ifihlo ngombana nembiki indaba kezabika ngayo phambilini.
Nasibuya entolo.
He had issues with NSFAS since the year started, and also the equipment at the workshop is not enough.
Bafundi behlanzeni TVET College eMbombela eMpumalanga bazilila zihlangana ngaphasi kwesilevu ngendaba ye-NSFAS. Sokwamukela esigabeni sesibili sendaba zesiNdebele ku-SABC1. Indaba ezinaziphundileko ziyatholakala enkundleni zokuthintana uthi @SABC zindaba naku-SABC Plus asirage nazo. Bengabolo sithathu sikulethela indaba ezikhethekileko ngamakhetho wabohulumende bendawo nobaba uThando Xolo Tshembeni. Namhlanje sicala indaba yokuzihlolisela ukuvota. Baba Tshembeni sakwamukela endabeni zesiNdebele ku-SABC1. Ngibawa sithome lapha iphela veke esibuya kiyo le bengeyokugcina yokuzihlolisela ukuvota. Ungathi ni IEC nanelisekile ngesibalo sabantu abazihlolisileko?
Sithokoze Mhathi. Commissioner sithokoze khulu ngendlela sisebenze ngakhona ngempela veki sinalesikile kakhulu ngabantu abavele bazoyihlolisela ba-verify baphinde batshintshe nama-address wabo ukuze sibanike iy'teshi esiduzane nalabo abahlala khona.
Alo Baba Tshembeni abantu ababhalelwe ukuzihlolisa ngenxa yamabanga wempilo ahlukahlukeneko ingaba sesenalo na ithuba lokuzihlolisa nakukhamba isikhathi?
Mhathi banalo ithuba base kule sicela ukuthi basebenzise lamalanga amabili amathathu asele kufika uLesihlanu umhla ka7 August lapho uMinister of Culture sayina khona noma ezobeka officially usuku lokuvota lomhla ka4 November 2026 ngokusemthethweni lokho esibiza ngokuthi proclamation okuzokwenza ukuthi ngo12 o'clock ebusuku o midnight i-voters roulette izovalwa bese ungabhalisanga by then angeke sakhona ukuvota ngomhla ka4 November 2026 kodwa angabhalisela ukuvota ngo2029 and ukuvalwa kwe-voters roulette kusinikeza izinto ezimbalwa ezizowenzeka okusho ukuthi manje kuzophuma i-timetable ezositshela ukuthi ngedate esokwenzeka lokhu ngedate esokwenzeke lokhu. Okwesibili i-voters roulette izocertify ukuze ibe clean wonke umuntu olapha ku-voters roulette ukutholakala ukuthi ulapha ngokusemthethweni. Okwesithathu ukuthi ithuba le candidate nomination system ivuliwe ukuthi ama-candidates aza ngamaphathi noma azijameleyo apply kuze abe ama-candidate. Okugcina ke siphinde sithi manje after ngoLwesihlanu kuzoqala i-code of conduct lena ezositshela ukuthi sonke uma siphila kufanele siziphathe kanjani njengoba semakhetheni ngoNovember.
Baba Tshembeni ngibawa siphethe ngamagama athi kilabo abafuna ukuchugulula mhlawumnye imininingwane nabo eheleni labavoti namkha imininingwane yabo ezabe seyichugulukileko ngomhla wekhetho kuzokwenziwani ngabo?
Sithanda ukusho ukuthi abatshintsha amakheli ama-address kumbe amakheli ngosuku lokuvota azobe yashintshile kodwa umvoti uyakhona ukuzihlola ukuthi ngempela ikheli lakhe litshintshile ngokuthumela i-ID number yakhe ngo-SMS ku32810 impendulo izamtshela ukuthi hayi ikheli lakhe lilungisekile. So siyacela ukuthi abantu abenze manje kusanesikhathi bazicheck ukuthi lokho abaku-applyelele ukuthi kushintshe kushintshile na.
Baba Tshembeni siyakuthokoza isikhathi sakho namhlanje.
Sithokoze Mhathi, sithokoze nabalaleli.
Aha, kubaba uthanda ucolo Chembeni ovela kwa IEC asirage nazo. Abafundi behlanzeni TVET College eMbombela eMpumalanga bathi baqalene neentshijilo ezifaka hlangana imiraro ye-NSFAS, insiza zokufunda, incwadi zokufunda kunye nokuthuselwa. Abafunda babethule iintshijilo zabo ekomidini yePalamende ejeje zefundo ephakemeko ngesikhathi ikomiti le ivakatshele ekholeji ukuyokulalela inlilo zabafundi.
Amalunga wekomiti yezefundo ephakemeko ePalamende atshengiswe bona benzani abafundi behlanzeni TVET College. Umnyango wezobunjiniyera utshengisile ngomsebenzi wawo. Abanye abafundi bazwakalise inlilo zabo ekomitini le.
Our problem is we don't have PPE, enough PPE, and also the equipment at the workshop is not enough.
We had issues with NSFAS since the year started. Some they had challenges, they didn't get their NSFAS. Some they got it even though it was late.
Usihlalo wemkhandle ephetheko esikoleni esi uba wabafundi ukuthi bangasabi babike zonke intshijilo zabo.
Our commitment from council is that those issues are going to be resolved. No one has the right to intimidate a student.
Nanyana kunjalo usihlalo wekomiti yomnyango wezefundo ephakemeko uthi ihlelo elisekela abafundi ngemali ku TVET College le libabekele emva abafundi abasanda ukuphasa imatriki.
The only problem I have with the current structure of TVET colleges is how we fund them. This year we've got 50 TVET colleges, and this year we fund them just under 15 billion. It's not enough for us to meet the big numbers that come from basic education.
Ikomiti le kulindeleke ukuthi ivakatshele iUniversity eMpumalanga ngelesithathu.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ngenlilo zabafundi behlanzeni TVET College abazitshele ikomiti yezefundo ePalamende lapho balila khona ngeNSFAS, insiza zokufunda nokuthi batsho bemetric batshejwa move. Asizombono wakho mbukeli.
INSFAS yona iyathwenya ngobenyaka abafundi balila ngayo.
Kwesinye isikhathi kulilwa ngokuthi ayikafaki imali, kwesinye isikhathi ideleyile ithethe ifake imali sekulada.
Iziphathamandla zikahulumende mazingenelele ngokukhawuleza kungamoshakala imfundo yabantwana.
Sekumele uhulumeni abheke ukuthi sisekhona ngampela isidingo salo NSFAS.
Kanti kwenzakala ngo-NSFAS kusho ukuthi kuningi nje la NSFAS bese iy'ngane ifunda kanjani-ke.
Abaveze ukuthi bathuselwa bobani. Uhulumende adlale indima afunisise namkhaphenyisise.
Benze kahle basheshe beyikhulume kusemanje lento ngoba uzobona mase kuzophela unyaka kuzoba nenkinga mase kumele bethole imiphumela yabo.
Nyaka nonyaka iNSFAS inentshijilo and igovernment yeSouth Africa ithi education is a key of success.
uNSFAS lena angathi ujwayele ukudlala ngabantwana besikolo and uzaba confuse ubalibazise nalapha kwezifundo zabo.
Zinyange kuphela ungazwanga lutho ngeNSFAS.
Umbono onke umbukeli, iSABC ayikazokuthwasa umlando ukuziphendulela kombono umbukeli. Ezemali iranda linzinzile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Mbukeli ngikuhlanganisa amehlo nobusayi Mathebula kwethulela ubujamo bezulu. Thulile Nyoka.
Siloshise ekhaya ngelesithathu siqalele ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu livulile endaweni eziningi ngapha ngeSouth Africa zinkomba zomoya lezo zibonako nangale ngeCape Town ke lithukuvala ngamafu sibone nomoya omakhaza ochidelako kileza ndawo zange Cape Town uphekelela lapha ke izulu elifikela lapha nge60% lithi ke endaweni zabo George lithi 30% kanti ke nangale ngeGwini langale ngeMthatha siyalibona nge30% sithole lapha ke isilemukiso somoya ngale ngeCape Town wenza bona ilwandle libe bukhali kungobusuku ke namhlanje sokuqalela amazinga okushisa kusasa sithome ngesifunda sangaphange eGauteng sibone kuseni kumakhaza kulala kumakhaza kodwa ngokuhamba kwesikhathi iPitori futhumele kamnandi nge25 iBroncosspruit 22 Springs 22 angithi lapha neJohannesburg nge23 selimpopo ke lapha kuyachisa endaweni ezinengi zangale ngelimpopo kanti ke kulala kuvuke kumakhaza impumalanga ibonakala ilala ivuka imakhaza ekseni kodwa nangokuhamba kwesikhathi isikhukhuza siyachisa hle nge32 kuthi ke ezinye indawo ezifana nalapha kubomalahleni kwaGafontein kufuthumele bo24 26 esekunda kuphole nge23 siyalapha kwaZulu Natal indawo ezinengi ngemva kwamadina kufuthumele kuya ngokuchisa kodwa nakusekuseni nje lapho kumakhaza khona Richards Bay nge30 Durban ifuthumele kamnandi nge27 ngemva kwamadina asiyoqala isifunda sangale ngeMpumalanga Kapa indawo ezinengi nakhona kulala kuvuke kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi zithi ukuphola kuye ngokufuthumala kezinye indawo malitswa imakhaza imini yonke ekseni khulukhulu nge-2 iTshingalanga Kapa ke imakhaza imini yonke isifundeni esa eCape Town nalithi liphezulu i14 degrees Celsius nje kwaphela kuthi ke endaweni ezifana nalapha kubo Mossel Bay 16 George i15 degrees Celsius yalapha ke esifundeni sangeTlagwini Kapa nakhona ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza Calvinia neSutherland zimakhaza imini yonke iSutherland nalithi liphezulu i14 endaweni ezifana nalapha kubo Uppington lithi ukufuthumala nge24 seFreystata ke lapha ke nakhona kulala kuvuke kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi indawo ezifana nalapha kubo Bloemfontein kupholile nge23 asiyoqala kokugcina isifunda sangaleke ngeNorth West naso ke silala sivuke simakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi Rustenburg ifuthumela kamnandi nge25 nalapha ke eMahikeng asibona nekodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako dido
Mbukeli sizibeka lapha zanamhlanje zikhona zesizulu ngesimbi yekhoma kusasa ngesiswati ngesikhathi esifanako kukhobongile